Welcome to tutorial. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of artificial satellites. We'll explore how they work and their incredible history. Stay tuned. Part 1. What are artificial satellites? An artificial satellite is a human-made object designed to orbit Earth or other celestial bodies. These high-tech devices serve many purposes, like communication, weather monitoring, navigation, and scientific research. But how exactly do they work? Let's break it down. Part 2. How do satellites work? First, satellites are launched into space using powerful rockets. The rocket carries the satellite into orbit, where it begins its journey around Earth. There are different types of orbits, depending on the satellite's mission. For example, low Earth orbit is used for Earth observation and some communication satellites. Geostationary orbit keeps the satellite fixed over one spot on Earth, ideal for TV broadcasting and weather satellites. And polar orbits allow satellites to cover the entire globe, passing over the north and south poles. Satellites get their power from solar panels, which convert sunlight into electricity. They also have batteries to store energy for when they pass through Earth's shadow. To communicate, satellites use special devices called transponders. These devices receive signals from Earth, amplify them, and send them back. Ground stations on Earth track and control the satellite's movements, ensuring it stays on its mission. Part 3. The history of artificial satellites. Now, let's rewind to the origins of artificial satellites. The idea dates back to 1687 when Isaac Newton explained the principles of orbital motion. Later, in 1903, Konstantin Tsiolkovsky proposed using rockets to launch objects into space. But the real breakthrough came on October 4, 1957. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. This historic event marked the beginning of the space age. Sputnik 1 was a small metallic sphere weighing just 83.6 kilograms. It orbited Earth and transmitted radio signals, capturing the world's imagination. The United States soon followed with Explorer 1 in 1958, which discovered the Van Allen radiation belts. Over the next decades, we saw incredible milestones, like the first weather satellite, TIROS 1, in 1960, Telstar 1 in 1962, the first satellite to relay live television signals, and the creation of the Global Positioning System, or GPS, in the 1970s. Fast forward to today, we have thousands of satellites orbiting Earth. These satellites power our phones, connect us to the internet, help predict the weather, and even explore the mysteries of the universe. Artificial satellites have transformed life on Earth. From the first humble Sputnik to today's advanced satellite constellations like Starlink, they continue to push the boundaries of technology and exploration. Thank you for watching tutorial. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.